Hello, everyone. Welcome to your first virtual lesson. I am your tour guide, Mr. H. I hope that everyone is healthy and maybe even happy to be able to relax a little bit and learn a little bit. So, for the next 3 weeks, this is going to be the way we will learn. And this is going to evolve as we keep diving deeper into the music we're going to be preparing for our next concert. But for right now, we're keeping things pretty simple. First thing we want to do is take a look at our first assignment. If you go to your Google Classroom, up here on the top there's going to be stream, and that'll show everything that's been posted lately. But for our purposes for these next 3 weeks, we want to go to classwork. So when we go to classwork, you have your first assignment, which is posted. And your screen might look just a little different from mine, but for the most part, everything should look pretty similar. So if you click on this, what I would like you to do is fill out a Google form. On your screen right here is the Google form. When you click on that, it will bring up what I would like you to fill out. We'll do that in just a second. So, under this assignment, why do you like this song? Specifically, why do you like this song from our choir music suggestions? During class last week, we had started putting together songs that we would like to pick from for our next concert. They are all in this choir music suggestions. So if we click on that, we'll bring up the sheet that lists all the music. I have color-coded it for you. All of the junior high suggestions are in yellow here. Everything is in yellow. That is a junior high suggestion. Okay, so going back to our assignment, taking a look at these songs, I want you to pick two. Pick two from these yellow color-coded songs. Pick two that you really like. Once you have picked two, go to our assignment and click on the Google form. Why do you like this song? Okay. Why do you like this song? Pick two songs from our Google Sheet choir music suggestions. Tell me why you think our choir should sing this song. My first choice is, and you will fill that out right here. I like Louis Capaldi. He makes me, oh my goodness, I can't type, feel warm inside. I would like you to have something a little more insightful than that. But in any case, put in there why you like this song. Okay, why you like this specific song. If we go back to the assignment itself, I have some suggestions for you. You can think about who the composer is. What's so cool about him or her? What are the lyrics about? Why do they stir thoughts and feelings up inside of you? Why do you think our choir specifically would perform this piece well? Does it have cool solo parts that you think we have the soloist to do well? That would be fun. Does it have cool instrumental parts that someone in our school would play well? Maybe one of our junior high or senior high band students would play a solo part in there that you think would be really cool. Maybe some other things to think about. What does this piece mean to you? Do you think others would think the same thing if they listened to it as well? Be persuasive. I will share some of your information in a future post. In a future post, tomorrow, I will have the information you shared. Okay, this is counting on the fact that you will all reply to this, that you will all fill out this Google form, that I will get the chance to take a look at the wonderful comments that you have. All right. I will probably need to make music choices by, well, today, probably before the end of the school day. So it's essential you do this as soon as possible. And I'm primarily going to go by the support under each song. So we take a look at the songs. We have all these students that support the different songs. Never Gonna Give Up and Fireflies are pretty strong contenders at this point. Can probably count on those being done, okay, those being picked. But in any case, You can pick any song that you want and tell us why you think we should do that song, and I will share those reasons with the class. Alrighty. The last thing I want to mention about the songs we are picking, the junior high choir will be singing 4 different songs. We will be singing 2 as a choir. And in addition to that, I would like for the ladies to have their own song. That would be soprano 1, soprano 2, and alto, so a 3-part song. And the guys in the high school choir would love to team up with you baritones. They would love to sing a song with you that would be a 3-part men's choir piece. So tenor, tenor, bass. It would be tenor 1 would be junior high baritones, tenor 2 would be high school tenors, and bass part would be the high school basses. So from your musical suggestions, I will be picking from those most likely 4 songs. All right. So to recap, you are going to the Google Classroom. You are clicking on classwork. You are clicking on your first assignment. And you are filling out the Google form. Click on the Google form and you will put, this is my first choice, Fireflies. By, is that Louis Capaldi? I think so. Fireflies by Louis Capaldi. Here is why. Okay. You will do the same thing for your next choice. I will take a look over those. Alrighty. So I hope that everyone has a great day. If you have any questions, please email me. And I will also be working on making sure that everyone has added the Google Classroom to your set of Google Classrooms. That will be my project for the rest of the day, of making sure that everyone is tied in. Alrighty. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and until then, take care and be safe.